Today I received this hydroponic set from CityFarm, Malaysia. This is their website. You can purchase from them, cityfarm.my. So I ordered 3. So one is around 30 ringgit 90 cent. So 3 costs about 4 ringgit, 50, around 54. Wait. 41 ringgit 70 cent, and the shipping price is around 7 ringgit 90 cent. Actually they send using easy parcel and it costs around 5 ringgit 90 cent something. So that's the actual value lah. This is less than around 1 kilo something only. So now we'll be unboxing. So you need to keep this box as an opaque covering for the hydroponic set, because we don't want it to get exposed to sunlight until there can be growth of algae, which can actually spoil the root and also the growth of the vegetables. This is the cover, and very fragile. I think it can break off easily especially after there's a rooting, and also we want to pluck it off. Very fragile, I'm telling you. This is very thin, and too thin actually, and the box is quite good, stable. This is the top covering, so they can insert this thing into this. Okay, then we have the seed. This is seed of the sawi. In Malay we call it sawi vegetable, pak choy, chomsoy I think, the mustard veggie, no? And this is the sponge for the seeding. For the seedlings, it have slit here. I think this is not cotton, this is like very synthetic sponge. We gave around 4, and there is this clay pellets. So we insert the sponge inside, and when the seedling have grown around 5 to 7 days or more than that, you can put these clay pellets inside to stabilize the plant, so that so it won't fall laterally to the sides and so on, to make it stable. And as it's made of clay, I think it's better to put it inside water first, so that it can absorb can accept the water first. And they gave 2 hydroponic solutions. Oh my god, they said there's two seedlings, but they gave only 1. Just ridiculous, man. If you see in their website, their YouTube channel, and also in their website, they say there will be 2 seedlings supplied. Actually I want lecture. We can just, after it have grown fully, then we can just pluck it and eat it as salad. But this vegetable, I don't think so I can eat it fresh. I need to cook. I don't want that. And this is the yellowish solution. This is the hydroponic liquid A, and this is very transparent, colorless liquid. This is hydroponic set B. So half bottle of solution, hydroponic solution A, and half bottle of hydroponic solution B. And this is the container for the growth for the hydroponic, for the vegetable to grow. They included this thing, instruction manual, step by step how you can do. So oh, it's deep inside, so I think we need around 2 sponge. Yes, I think we need around 2 sponge. That's why they gave extra. So we need around 2 sponge. It should be this height. Not, this one is too low actually. If I'm not wrong, should be high up. You can fill up the water with the hydroponic liquid, and then you can sow the seed inside after soaking this sponge inside water, and that's it. You start growing. The seedling will start to grow around 5 to 7 days. It will take around 5 to 7 days, and then you can harvest your veggie in 1 month. If it's veggies, 1 month. If it's fruits like tomatoes and so on, chilies, not really chili, especially tomatoes and fruit type of veggies, it will take around 60 to 90 days. That's all, guys. See you again in the next video about the steps for growing hydroponic veggie. Thank you.